What is Liquid? Liquid is a template language created by Shopify. But what does it mean? Let me explain to you. First, we need to understand some basics. A web page can consist of maximum three elements: HTML, CSS, and some JavaScript. But what is their role in the context of a web page? HTML acts like the skeleton of a human body, and CSS is like the skin and the muscle, but it doesn't work because it doesn't have a soul. So, JavaScript is the soul of that human body, which makes it functional. Now you understand the role of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript in the context of our web page. Let's time travel to 90s when web technology started developing. Websites were static at that time. They use HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to make websites. The main purpose of the website is to share information or to make the digital presence. They offered very limited functionalities. Here you can see the homepage of Microsoft Corporation in the 90s. Web technologies keep developing, and with time, fast forwarding today, we have dynamic web pages. Due to dynamic web pages, we can build web applications that was impossible in the past. Now we can offer a lot of functionalities on the websites, and they are huge in size and complex. These are some of the examples of modern web application or websites. So far, we have covered the part of technological advancement from static websites to dynamic websites. We have also explained static website contain static web pages and dynamic website contain dynamic web pages. The next question is, what is the difference between a static web page and a dynamic web page? Let's consider YouTube as an example. When we watch a video on YouTube, you can notice few things are common on the website. Logo and search bar on the top, video player where we play the video, title and description, and on the right we can see other suggested videos. The exact same template is used on millions of videos on YouTube. What would have happened if YouTube was a static website? Then we need to make a page for every single video uploaded on YouTube using the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript and store it on the database. This process would be very inefficient because we are saving the same HTML, CSS, and JavaScript for every single videos. Rather, an efficient way would be we will save all the videos, the title, description, etc. on the database, and when a person want to watch a video, we will take those data from the database like video, the title, description, amount of likes, comments, etc. from the database and show it on the template, like fill in the gaps. Therefore, template language works between the data and the template. When a person wants to watch a video, we take the relevant data from the database and template language fill those gaps with the dynamic data of video, title, description, likes and comments, etc. and render it on the template. So this is the role of the template language. There are so many template languages in the world and Liquid is one of them. If we look at a Shopify store, we can realize the need of a template language. A Shopify store will have a product page. That product page will contain product title, description, images, price, buy button, rating and reviews, etc. If that store has 1000 products, a single template can render all the products. Same goes for the shop page. A shop page will show a card of products where there will be image, title, and price. And the header and the footer is also common. So we can use a template for that page. Shopify created Liquid to make its website efficient. If a visitor wants to see a product page on a Shopify store, First, the data is pulled from the database and sent to the server. In the server, Liquid processes those dynamic data and fill those data in the static file and send the static file to the client side. This is how a visitor see a product page on a Shopify store. Liquid works in the server. It never runs in the client side. This is why Liquid is called a server-side template language. A quick recap. Liquid is a template language. It runs in the server, never in the client side. The browser doesn't recognize Liquid. Liquid is used to load the UI. It's an open source. Shopify has a beautiful website from where you can learn more about Liquid. The link will be provided in the video description. If you find the video useful, then don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.